Hey everyone, Ariel Adams here with aBlogtoWatch at Baselworld 2019 with Rolex, looking at the new Rolesor version of the Sea-Dweller. The Sea-Dweller is their middle diving watch. There's the Submariner, the Sea-Dweller, and the Deep Sea. This originally came out just in steel, and this is the largest two-tone dive watch that I'm familiar with Rolex making. It's 43 millimeters wide, and as a Rolesor, you can see steel and yellow gold. Yellow gold is used for the middle link on the bracelet, as well as the bezel and crown. It has the new generation Rolex 3235 automatic movement, which is really great and has a lot of performance features that we like. The watch costs 15,300 Swiss francs, and you can see the full review on aBlogtoWatch. Thanks.